Hey guys, welcome back to the Oilers Fanatic. Today we discuss Duncan Keith. Elliot Friedman posted an interesting tweet today that I wanted to discuss with you guys. In the tweet, Elliot mentions, there are rumblings Chicago is working on a potential Duncan Keith trade to either the Pacific Northwest or Western Canada. Word is Keith and the team are working together to get him to a place he wants to go. We will see where this goes. So, could the Edmonton Oilers be that Western team? It's completely within the realm of possibility. The Oilers have a hole on the left side with Oscar Klefbom not coming back, though it's debatable on whether or not Duncan Keith is still considered a second pairing defenseman at this point. He could go in the third pairing, but I'm not entirely comfortable with throwing any of our young guys in the second pairing on the left side, so in my opinion we would still have to acquire another defenseman to play ahead of Keith. Keith has 2 years remaining on his contract at just over $5.5 million per season. A key part of this deal would be what the Oilers are sending back to Chicago. James Neal or Mikko Koskinen, perhaps? Moving either of those guys helps the Oilers. Keith is not what he once was for sure, but he can still be a useful D-man for the Oilers, providing leadership and playoff experience to the lineup. Trading Neal or Koskinen saves the Oilers buying out either player. With just 2 years on his contract, Keith doesn't represent a long-term investment either. Don't get me wrong, in no way is this a perfect scenario, but it is something at least worth considering. It could all be a moot point though, as the Oilers could very easily not be the team engaged in talks, but we know Holland likes older players. Pierre LeBrun has added that there isn't anything imminent happening. He reports the following: nothing imminent or close as far as a trade at this point, according to sources. But as Elliot says, there are ongoing talks. Duncan Keith very much has a say in all of this via his no move. This is about potentially finding a fit that works for him. No guarantee it happens. And Rick Dhaliwal of the Athletic in Vancouver has this update. As of right now, the word is I don't think Vancouver is the destination for a Duncan Keith trade. Definitely something to keep an eye on. What do you guys think? Do you want Duncan Keith? Does it depend on who's coming back? Salary retained by Chicago? Sound off in the comments below. Enjoying the videos? Please like and subscribe. You've been listening to The Fanatic. Thanks for being a fan.